Hello my dear loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make mini vlog. Today it is Monday evening. As usual I finished my duty and now I am going to mark my attendance. See how nicely dogs are playing. Dogs are so cute being. I love them more because they are loyal than the people. After that, myself and my friend is going to ATM. I don't even know how to withdraw amount from the ATM and deposit money in ATM. So she was teaching me. She is taking amount for her gym class and we walked. See, this is our college friend, full of greenery. I brought one milk packet and I returned back to my room. After that I did watering for my favorite plant, aloe vera, and I sit there for a while for a relaxation. After that I prepare coffee and snacks and ate. And I boiled rosemary water for my hair. After that I cleaned my room and went to bath. After that I watched a movie. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite movie name. And I wrote assignment. My handwriting was not good, don't mind it. After that I had my day dinner. I hope you like my video. I will catch you in the next video. Until tata.